So cron jobs are the commands on scripts which schedule to run automatically at specific times or intervals on your Unix like operating systems. So the name cron comes from the cron daemon. So it's like a background process that manages these scheduled tasks. So we can like break down into that multiple part. So first one is that cron tables, or we can say that cron tab. So each user on Unix system can have their own set of cron jobs scheduled through the cron table. So typically it's stored a file called cron tab. So system wide cron jobs are often stored in centralized located like etc slash cron tab. So while during the that perform that assessment, we'll check on that location. The second one is that cron syntax. So cron jobs are defined using specific syntax that's specific when the command or script should run. So the syntax consists of that five fields followed by the commands to execute. The first one is that minute, second one is for hour, third one is for the day of the month, and fourth is for the month, and five is for the day of the week. So I'll show you that in Notepad so you can easily understand. So uh, it's that the first one is for minute. So it's consist for that 0 to 59 obviously, and the second one is for r, which consists 0 to 23, and the number 3 it's for the day of the month, which is for 1 to 31, and number 4 it's for month, which means 1 to 12, or we can say other names as well, and the number 5 it's for the day of the week, let's say 0 to 7, and where like 0 to 7 that represented that 0 to Sunday or their names, so it start from that Sunday part. Now for example, cron job set for run at 2:30 a.m. every day. So let's say it's run 2:30 a.m. every day. So the syntax should be, let's say first of all that minutes, that's mean 30, and then that hour, that's mean 2, and it's run on that every day, so we can assume that star star star. So if it is like run on that specific the date, so we can that put that number date, let's say 5, and if it is like specific for the month, so we can set that number 3 for the March, and day of the week we can say like every Monday, so that's 1. So syntax should be that minute, hour, day, month, or the day. And the next one is for that executing commands. So when a cron job schedule matches the current time, the cron daemon executes the specific commands. So these commands could be anything that can be executed from the command line, including scripts, system commands, or custom program. The next one is that logging and output. So the output generated by a cron job, including any error message, and it's typically sent via email to user who own the cron job. So this behavior can be customized to redirect output to a file or discard it entirely. The next one is that common uses cases. So in cron jobs are commonly used for the tasks such as that automated backup, system maintenance and cleanup, regularly update system and application configuration, generating reports or statistics, running that periodic task for the web application or services. So let's say you can set that that server take backup for every that month of that 30th, or that or on every Sunday. So you can that schedule as per the cron jobs, but it's misconfigured, so attacker can that re-edit this script and run like any commands which maybe uh, like escalate that privileges. Then the last one is that for managing that cron job. So user can manage their cron jobs using commands like cron tab -e to edit their cron table, or cron tab -l to list existing cron jobs, and the cron tab -r to remove all cron jobs. So overall cron jobs are a powerful tool for automating that repetitive task on Unispace systems, so providing a convenient way to schedule and execute commands at specified times.